繼我上次買咗部迷你洗衣機洗衫之後呢，盧生都唔執輸，話要買部機洗下嘢，就係呢一部洗碟機啦。先嚟睇下我嘅珍藏，就係哥哥 Leslie John， 我嘅 Super Idol。Had
to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go.
呢個工程咧係非常浩瀚嘅，我哋首先咧要抄晒啲碟出嚟，跟住咧就逐隻抹晒乾淨佢，仲開滴露嚟抹完之後咧就將佢慢慢放翻入個櫃裏邊，然後咧就要等盧生有時間咧就要洗埋隻碟裏邊啦。
用多牽掛，君可見漫天落霞，明媚色間似霧化。
令唔令到啲污糟啊？呢啲手印咧，呢啲印啊，呢啲係污糟啊。
暴雨中，相親相與共，夢與空，太匆匆，亂暗湧，偷偷是一種，容易變作風，再會難，過不返，寒夜對月夜般靜。我要情未冷。 中，像曾相遇过，梦以後太匆匆。
多謝收睇我嘅頻道，記得咧要 like、share、subscribe，仲要撳埋個鐘仔咧，等我有新片出即刻通知你。拜拜。